Hey guys, Mubarak here of Penny Stock. Hope you're doing well. Here again today to talk about Snapchat. Used to be the beloved stock that everyone had their eye on, and now, from our research, we might have a different conclusion that I'd love to talk about. Again, I have with me Dan from Penny Noise. How you doing, Dan?
Hey, what's going on?
Not much, not much. Glad you're able to come on today, and
Thank you for
as
having me.
100%, 100%. So we're gonna be talking more about Snap. Again, the way we're gonna do this, guys, is we're gonna show you kind of the report that Penny Noise came up with and their analysts there, and discuss it a little bit, and then really dive into the chart and talk about it from a technical analysis basis. But yeah, Dan, I'd love for you to take the floor. Snap is actually a stock that I have purchased and I'm holding as well, so I just want to disclose that. But the fact of the matter is that it might not be a good one to buy. What do you think?
Yeah, so definitely negative sentiment in the news right now,
Mm-hmm.
and rightfully so. We have looked at it, and I remember when it first went public, it was huge, very, very, very hyped up.
Yeah.
And at the time, Snapchat was one of the best social medias. I know I personally use it. I still use it.
Yeah.
But really, you just look at it yourself. I mean, if you and the people at home watching this, how often are you on Snapchat now, and how often do you see people post stories?
Mm-hmm.
So you see, so this is kind of the start of the trend that we're kind of bearish here
Yeah.
about. You see more active users on Instagram and Facebook. Obviously, they've been a powerhouse. And not just with daily active users, with ad revenue. Snapchat, that's kind of their bread and butter. They're really hoping for more users so they can advertise to, but their daily active users are weaker than expected, and the trend is declining.
Yeah.
And that is a big concern. And it's also at a fundamental basis. It's trading at 15 times enterprise value to 2018 estimates of revenues. That's pretty expensive. This company doesn't make money. Bottom line, they spend a lot on, the research and development, which is understood with a tech company. But the main story here is they won they moat. And what I mean by a moat for the people back at home is that imagine a castle and just, what you read in books and what you see in movies, a moat with like the alligators and stuff. Snapchat doesn't have any of that. So competitors can come in and steal what they have thought their advantage was. But clearly Facebook has just swept them under the rug and they have used Instagram stories, Facebook stories. Now they're coming out with a Facebook map to see where your friends are.
Yeah.
So that first off is a bad sign. Second off, I mean, they're not getting ad revenue dollars because the daily active users trend is declining, and therefore it'll just continue to go down unless Snapchat comes up with something better than a couple cool lenses for your selfie.
Yeah. Yeah.
And their hardware has been a flop. I really have never seen people with snap lenses.
No, not yet. Neither have I. And yeah, I mean, I was shocked when they came out with such a strong, open of 27, and when or 22 almost, or 24, I guess. But
Yeah.
if you just see the trend as it goes on, it's just a constant decline. Especially, I feel like when they did their redesign. When I go in, I pulled up the technical analysis chart, and I'm looking at May 1st. I believe that was when they had their redesign. I'm not 100% sure, but they dropped from 14 a share to 11 a share in one day.
Yeah. And you also, so this is kind of funny but true, but one of their biggest influences is Kylie Jenner. And what she said, do people use Snap? And stock tanked.
Yeah, that was pretty incredible that single kind of tweet or message really impacted the stock so much. But yeah, I mean that's the crazy thing about the influencer marketing space now, is that these people have so much say and power that it literally, I mean, that used to just be a pump and dump tactic. Like in the penny stock industry, people used to just try to bring in influencers like Justin Bieber, Shaq, and really try to have them endorse the product or endorse the stock, get it shot up, and then pay them out in a certain commission and stuff like that. But it's interesting to see how that's casually happening just by people, not even intentionally. I don't think she had anything obviously like that. I think it was just a natural sentence.
No, it's just that no one is really using Snapchat, and she saw that and she tweeted it out, and then she's a big advertiser. She's big money. She's big money for ads too. So I mean, yeah. No,
definitely. And yeah, I mean, we see it at the lowest point it's pretty much ever been at. You guys, I know, have talked about it's only going to get lower. This is just hypothetically to kind of close this out. What do you think is the future of Snap? Do you think someone's going to acquire them? Do you think they're going to need a change in upper management? Just hypothetically, what do you think?
Yeah, so hypothetically, I think, Evan Spiegel went public with had these shares go public, and now we as investors, we don't have a voting right. That's something to take note of.
Yeah.
So Evan has complete control over this company. So if this is tanking and he doesn't realize it, the activist investors can't come in and reignite the sell it to someone. I think it would make sense for someone to acquire them. I mean, they do have some solid things. They're like on the precipice. But maybe I can't really see, maybe a Google. I know they were talking about Google acquiring them, but Google doesn't really have, and so that would kind of make sense. And they certainly have the overhead to in the design team to turn some things around. So I can't see them like going bankrupt or anything.
But, me neither.
I think they need a boost. They need something. And it certainly we can't do anything as investors for new activist investors to come in and stir things up. So that's kind of the one negative. That's another negative about this company.
Got it.
So hypothetically, I can't see the future. I don't know
what
they would do, but I think it would make sense to have a Google who has a huge market with. I think they have a couple of apps like Duo, but if they could get a Snapchat, that'll be pretty value added, I think.
Who knows? Maybe they can combine their Google glasses and their Snap lens, their spectacles and stuff.
Yeah.
Combine teams
something like
there.
That. I feel like that would make more sense.
Yeah.
And Google certainly has the capital to do it. So.
Absolutely. All right. Awesome. Well, I think that pretty much wraps it up for Snap. From the technical basis, I think we can see it's just a constant downtrend. They do have their earnings call, I believe, on the 25th of October. So we'll be able to know.
We could see it. We maybe could see a potential. If the daily active users are picked up, that's a good catalyst. But in the meantime, not too hot.
Definitely. All right, awesome. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks again, Dan, for being on today.
You.
And we're gonna continue covering this. If you guys have certain penny stocks or tickers that you want us to cover, definitely leave a comment below. And let us know what your thoughts are on Snap. Love to know if you're holding, if you're selling, if you have friends that have it. Generally, I know I've already lost a bunch of money on it. So wish I had this analysis and understanding prior. But finally, again, if you guys want to have access to these reports sent to you on a daily and weekly basis, as well as educational videos, live stream chats for penny stock trading as well, click the link below. It's called the new 5 under 5 penny stock package. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Take care.